Okay, so we're back, ready to do some research. So this is your note card that we're going to be filling up today. We're going to practice how to fill that up. And we're going to use SOC's databases in order to do that. So to get to the databases, you first will need to go to SOC's homepage, SOC Middle School website. You're going to want to go under Academics and find the Media Center. Okay, and then once you're on the Media Center page, you're going to see Online Databases. And you're going to want to click on that. And then here we have to click again. It says click here to go to Mac and VIA. We're going to click on that. It's going to take a second to load. Okay, so here we are. This is SOC Media Center's hub, if you will. Okay, so we're going to click on Databases. And there are a number of databases that we subscribe to here at SOC, but the one that you're really going to kind of hang out in is Gale Research and Context. These other ones are good, but they're kind of more for history and social studies, and then some English as well. So we're going to open up Gale Research and Context. And now let's pretend that my science fair project is dealing with balloons and different pressures of balloons, the different air pressure in the balloons, and how they behave with those different air pressures. So I am going to type something in that I think is relevant. I'm going to type in atmospheric pressure. Okay, because I read in my background that atmospheric pressure is important, and so I'm going to go and do some research on that. Okay, so you'll see here there are a number of things that come up. There are references, biographies, images, videos, audio, magazines, and news. What's going to be most useful to me are these reference materials here. So I'm just going to choose this one here. And I'm going to read this text, and I'm going to see what kind of information I can get out of it. Okay? So how about this? It says atmospheric pressure is the weight that the atmosphere exerts upon something or someone. The measured value of the atmospheric pressure fluctuates slightly in response to moving weather systems, and it drops as one ascends to higher elevations, since less air is overhead to exert a downward force. Okay, so that's the definition of atmospheric pressure. But here's some more information. The mean atmospheric pressure at sea level is given in a number of different unit systems as 1,013.25 millibars, 29.92 inches of mercury, and 14.7 pounds per square inch. That seems important. Okay, so I am going to grab that. I'm going to copy it, and I'm going to plug that in as a quote. Okay, because I pulled it directly from the website or from the database, so that means it needs to be a quote. So now my job is to paraphrase. I'm going to have to paraphrase that information. So here is my paraphrase. Now I need to go back to Gale, and I need to find my citation. You are going to find your citation all the way at the bottom here. Okay? And I'm just going to grab that whole thing. Okay? I'm going to copy it, and I'm going to paste it. Now, one interesting thing about Gale research is that there are these sort of breadcrumbs here. There are these words that are highlighted in blue, and sometimes those can be really great resources to find more information. So I could go back to atmospheric pressure and look all of these different resources have popped up. Okay, so don't forget to use that as sort of a tool to find some more information as you're going along. So that's research. Please remember that it's expected that you walk out today with at least one note card done. Okay? Remember, one note card done by today. Okay, good luck.